Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change primary country location on the Facebook page. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to change your primary Facebook page location, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first, you want to open up Facebook here or the Facebook app, and you want to go and switch over to your Facebook page account. Now, at the top left, you should see a three-bar icon. You can go and click on the drop-down icon here, and you want to go and select the profile for your Facebook page. Now, once you've switched over to your Facebook page, next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on your profile icon that you see at the top right of your screen, and you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here, and you want to go and just change a few or update a few details here. So in the details section, you should see a edit icon or a pencil icon there. So go ahead and just click on that. Now, in here, you want to go and look for address. Go ahead and click on address, and you want to go and just update your address. So that involves your primary address here, the town and city, and also the postcode. And once you've added those, you can go and click on save to change your primary address or location for your Facebook page. Now, if you want to have your page visible in more countries or in different in other regions, well, there are a few settings that you may want to change here as well. Now, first things first, you want to go to your home page or in your main page here. You want to go and click on the three bar icon at the top left again. Scroll down a bit here, expand settings and privacy, and you want to go and click on settings. Now, inside settings, you want to go and look for language and region. Go ahead and click on it. And what you need to do is you want to make sure that you've properly set this up. Now, first, what language you want to have your post translated to. So if English is not the primary language that you use for your page here, so it's more visible to other English speaking regions or countries. Now, also, you may want to enable the following option, that is the share your post in multiple languages. So you go and click on it, and from here you want to go and just turn it on and click on save. Now, basically what we're doing here is we are allowing to basically allowed to show your post or whatever content you're posting out there to other regions, so it will increase your visibility to other regions as well. So yeah, so currently those are the settings that you could change right now to have your page more visible to other countries or regions as well. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.